What's going on, the strongest marketing goon squads on YouTube? It is Aaron here with another great video, and in this one I'm going to show you guys how you can boost a Facebook post using the ads manager. So what exactly is boosting a post? So pretty much is when every time you post a Facebook post on your Facebook page, and after an hour or two, you see this little nice blue button that says boost post. And what boosting a post is you get to reach more people with that post. So a lot of people say boosting a post is a waste of time and a waste of money. And most of those people have probably never boosted a post before. And it's just people who just heard other people say that it's a waste of money. They're just copying what they're saying for the most part. But a lot of professional Facebook marketers do boost their clients' posts, because if they see a post is doing well, you can put in a little bit of money into it and then it can do even better, and then you can actually use that boosted post and run it as an ad. But just be sure that the post you are boosting already is proven to work. So if you're noticing that one post is getting a little bit more engagement than another post, that is a post that you would want to boost. So when you boost a post, you can select the objective you want. You can send people to a website, get more likes, shares, and comments, and get more messages pretty much. So these are just like running the different objectives here, just like if you were to do it on the ads manager. So, and then you can add a button, you can choose your audience, automatic placement, and your budget. And then you can even track the conversions as well if you have a Facebook pixel set up. So the problem is with boosting a post is that although it is good, although it is useful, you can only really run it to one audience, and you may want to split test which audience is going to like your post better. So for example, are people who are 18 to 24 going to like this post better? Or are people who are 35 to 65 plus going to like this post better? Unfortunately, with boost posts, you can only really set one audience and boost it to that audience. So that's why if you are going to boost a post, it's better just to do it on the ads manager level. And I'm going to show you how to do just that. So let's say you have a post that you've seen that's done well, and you want to use that exact same post and use it on the ad manager. And you want to also carry the social proof that that post has and run it as like a post engagement campaign, which is the same exact thing as boosting a post. And for example, if you chose to get more people to react, to comment, and share your post. So to do that, you first need to copy the post ID and then go to the ads manager and paste that post ID. I'm going to show you how to do just that. So the first thing you're going to do is you want to go onto your ads manager, click on the three bars up here, and then under create and manage, click on page posts. So what page posts is that it's going to show a list of all the different posts that you have on your page, and you can even schedule posts as well, and it even shows the different ads that you've ran as well. So for example, we're going to go on to schedule posts. Okay, so let's say this is the post that I want to split test and see what type of audience would get the most engagement from this post. So what type of audience would like this post, share, comment. So pretty much what you need to do is to take the post ID and then paste it onto your ad. So up here where it says post details, the post ID is right here. So you can take this and then click on copy, and then you're ready to run an ad. So what you then want to do is to go onto your ads manager account. Okay, so now that we're going to create a new campaign, since we're wanting to see which one's going to get the most likes, shares, and comments, since that's what really boosting a post is, you're going to choose engagement. But you can also use the same idea if you want to use that same post to get traffic, to get video views. So, but in this case, since it's like boosting a post, we're just going to go into engagement, and then I'm just going to stick with post engagement right now, and I'm going to do test engagement. And since I know that I immediately want to split test it, and I'm not going to really split test it too harshly, I'm actually going to use the create split test feature. So we're going to turn that on, and then variable, what do you want to test? We're going to put audience, and then click on continue. So then what you want to do is choose a saved audience, create or choose a saved audience. So let's say I want to target people who are interested in digital marketing because this is a digital marketing YouTube channel for the most part. And I want to target people, it's going to create a new audience. I want to target people in the US and I want to target people in Canada to see which region works better for my videos. So I'm just going to leave this all the same. Obviously, I would do my marketing research and my targeting research just to see the specific interests that digital marketers are interested in. But I'm just going to go with the obvious ones, so like Gary Vaynerchuk. If I can spell his name right. Okay, let's go with just say digital marketing. And these are very broad interests, so I wouldn't recommend actually using these. And your digital marketing, and then social media examiner, and then Gary, this time Gary Vaynerchuk. Go on some suggestions. Grant Cardone. Obviously, there are a lot more interest. And let's do Tony Robbins for the most part. So, okay, so that's one of my audience right there. So I'm going to hit confirm. And then for my second audience, I want the same exact thing, but for Canada. So I'm going to take out United States and put Canada. And then I'm going to leave this all the same. Obviously, do your market research. If you want to know exactly how to do market research to find the targets that no one else is the interest that no one else is targeting, be sure to click on the video. I'll probably have an iCard up there about that leads to that video after you watch this video. So we're gonna do the same thing, digital marketing, and then I think social media center, and then Gary Vaynerchuk, and then I think I typed in something else. What did I type in? And then we have our two different audiences there. We can obviously test another ad set audience if you really wished, but you don't have to. And we can go to delivery optimization. So we want post engagement because we're trying to get more likes, shares, and comments. Obviously, you want to optimize if you're doing traffic for landing page views. So now we're on to the budgeting. So estimated test power is just pretty much the likelihood you'll actually see a difference with the budget you have. So with $20 a day, there's a 93% chance that I'm going to see a difference in my testing. But if I was only doing like $2 a day, then it's only like a 67% chance I'll see something different in my testing. Facebook recommends 80%, so you could do $10 a day, and then that should be fine for the most part. Then you can hit continue. And then what you can do is then you're usually on this page right now, and make sure you name your ad set and ad level. I always forget to do that. And then you want to click on use existing post. So then you want to do enter post ID. You click on paste, submit, and boom, you have your post set and made. So I'm not going to specifically run this post because Facebook's going to complain that there's too many words. And usually if there's too many words, your ads are going to show for a lower reach and cost you more. So if you're, for example, running a video, you can change the thumbnail of the video if you just go onto the settings of the post and go on and change that. But that is exactly how you pretty much boost a post using the Facebook Ads Manager. So make sure you have your pixel set up. And then if you really can't change the thumbnail or you really want to have it, you can request a manual review and see where that gets you. And Facebook's really good at responding to you. So if you click up there, I made another video which explains how to run Facebook ads for local businesses A to Z, because usually the local businesses are the ones who are boosting the post and not getting the results. So if you watch that video, you can pretty much open your own SMMA agency. I'll see you guys in that.